All around the world, our oceans are facing a number of threats, from pollution to habitat degradation and overexploitation. These stresses have alarming impacts on marine organism populations and have far-reaching effects that can cause a collapse of an entire ecosystem. So how do we stop this? In the hopes of mitigating the threats coastal and marine systems face, many countries have created so-called marine protected areas, or MPAs. But what exactly are these?
MPAs are locations managed with the goal of giving the public not only the opportunity to observe, but learn about the diverse wildlife in the area, while still making sure to conserve it. They allow for many activities such as boating, fishing, diving, and tourism, but also focus on plant and animal conservation as well as sustainable visitation and tourism. There are three types of MPAs, which are marine parks, aquatic reserves, and national parks or nature reserves. Fishing is usually not allowed in these areas, but if it is, your catches cannot be taken home with you. The exact activities that are allowed in each MPA are dependent upon the biodiversity values in each area.
The past decade has seen the creation of many large, remote, offshore MPAs, nearly doubling the total area of globally protected oceans to about 7%. Despite this, MPAs continue to be a controversial topic, as it is often challenging for scientists to track changes in marine populations before and after the creation of MPAs, leaving people wondering just how effective they truly are. Additionally, it is also very costly to enforce regulations and control these protected areas, especially as they increase in size. Because of these factors, many members of the public and fishing lobbies believe MPAs are useless, as they destroy their livelihood and waste their money. However, without heavy fishing restrictions and surveillance, the purpose of MPAs can be easily lost. Understandably, a lack of stakeholder engagement has been found to be one of the driving factors leading to MPA failure. Protected areas show many positive results for marine organisms in their habitats. On average, biomass, density, species richness, and size of organisms have been found to be higher within MPA boundaries. MPAs are also effective in re-establishing declining populations. For example, in Western Australia, the implementation of a no-take marine park in 2004 resulted in the steady increase of grey reef sharks. By 2016, the population had more than doubled.
If this weren't a marine reserve, we probably wouldn't be able to have these visiting animals, because they just wouldn't have the sea life and the ecosystem to sustain that.
What do you see as the biggest threat to the marine environment around Sydney?
Well, pollution, debris and like plastic pollution as well. But I mean, you still can't control anything sort of flowing in from other places.
While many signs point to the benefits of MPAs, research is still being done today to determine their efficacy. To learn more about marine protected areas or to join the debate, visit these websites and follow these accounts on Instagram and Twitter.